In this question, we are asked to find angle X. And here, as you can see, we are given the value of this angle as A. This is also A. This angle is B and this is also B. This is C and C, and this angle D and D. And then we are given this angle as 8x. And then this angle is X. And we have to find the value of X. Now, the first thing I would like us to do here is to look at this triangle PQR. Let me start my solving from here. Looking at the triangle PQR, we can take the sum of angles in the triangle. So this angle here, the full angle is A plus A, which is 2A. So I'm going to take 2A plus this angle here is, okay, let me take this angle first. This is also D plus D. So this is 2D. That is D plus D is 2D. So 2A plus 2D, and then plus the third angle, which is 8x. Don't forget, we're using triangle PQR. So I have this angle as 2A, I have this angle as 2D, and this angle as 8x. So plus 8x, everything should be equal to 180, because sum of angle in a triangle is 180 degrees. So I can factorize this because 2 is common to them. So I can simply take 2, and then I have A, because 2A divided by 2 will give me A, and then 2D divided by 2, I'm left with D. So that when you expand this, it takes you back to this. And then plus 8x is equal to 180. Now, I can simplify further by dividing each term by 2, because 2 is common to this, 2 is common to 8x, and 2 can also be common to 180. So let me divide each term by 2. It's just like dividing both sides by 2. So I divide this by 2. So these 2 will cancel 2. And then this will be, so what will be left here is A plus D. So I have A plus D. And then here I'm left with 8x divided by 2. I'm left with 4x. And that will be equal to, 4x. And that will be equal to 180 divided by 2 is 90. So now I can simply make A plus D the subject of the formula. I'm taking A plus D because I'm later going to use this A and D in my solution. So I want to take A plus D as subject of the formula. So A plus D will be equal to 90 is here already. This plus 4x, if it comes to this side, becomes minus 4x. So that means A plus D is 90 minus 4x. Okay, now we have established that first fact. Let's move on to this triangle now. Triangle STU. If you look at this, this is angle X. Then what do you think is this angle as well? If you can look at them clearly, you see that they are vertically opposite angles. And vertically opposite angles are equal. So that means this is also angle X. If this is X, is vertically opposite to this and they are equal. So this is also angle X. So using this triangle now, triangle STU, that is this small triangle, I'm going to add the 3 angles as well. And adding them now, let me take B first. So I take angle B, which is this B here, add to C and then add to X. So plus C and then plus angle X is equal to 180, because sum of angle in a triangle is 180. From there, I can as well make B plus C the subject of the formula, because I'm still coming back to this shape to use B and C as well. Just as I'll be using A and D, I'll also be using B and C. So if I make B plus C the subject of the formula, B plus C will be equal to this 180, which is here already. Then this plus X, if it comes to this side, becomes minus X. So that means B plus C is equal to 180 minus x. Okay, now let's move on to this quadrilateral. I want to look at the quadrilateral PTSR. Look at it, this quadrilateral. This is one side, this is the second side 2, this is the third side, and this last line is the fourth side. So I'm looking at this quadrilateral PTSR, which is this four-sided figure. So I'm going to add all the angles of this quadrilateral. I'm going to add all the angles. So I'm starting with this angle A here. So that will be angle A. So I have angle A plus this second angle of the quadrilateral. Don't forget this full angle. So that will be B plus B, which is 2B. So that will be 2B plus 2B. And then this is the third angle of the quadrilateral, and that will be C plus C, which is 2C. So I say plus 2C. And then finally, this is the last angle of the quadrilateral, so plus D. And the sum of angles in a quadrilateral is 360. 360 degrees. Don't forget that. For a triangle is 180. For a four-sided figure, which is a quadrilateral, it is 360. Sum of angles in a quadrilateral. So let's simplify this now. So I can simply take this as A, and then let me bring D closer to it. I say plus D, because I have A plus D. Then this one, let me factorize this. So it's going to be plus 2 is common to them. I open up bracket, 2B divided by 2, I'm left with B, plus 2C divided by 2, I'm left with C. So that is B plus C, and then plus this angle D here, plus D, and everything should be equal to 360 degrees. But don't forget, I already have the values for A plus D and B plus C in terms of, oh sorry, this D is no longer there, because this D is here already. So I brought this D to this point, so it's no longer here. So I already have A plus D and I have B plus C already. Let's check it out. So this is my A plus D. You can see A plus D is 90 minus 4x. And then B plus C, you can see it here. B plus C is already 180 minus x. So I can go on now and substitute values. So my A plus D is 90 minus 4x. So A plus D is the same as 90 minus 4x. And then plus this value 2 here, multiply by my B plus C. This is B plus C, which is 180 minus x. So I'm simply going to write 180 minus x in place of B plus C. And then it's equal to the 360 that I have here, 360. So I'm going to simplify further now so that I can get the value of x. So that will be 90 minus 4x. And then I expand this. It's going to give me 2 multiplied by this will give me plus 360. And then 2 multiplied by this will give me minus 2x. And that will be equal to 360. So let me leave the terms in x on the left-hand side and take the constant values to the right-hand side. So I'll be left with minus 4 minus 2x on this side. So I have minus 4x. And then I also have minus 2x on the left-hand side. And it's equal to this 360. I'll write it down now. Then this plus 360, if it comes to this side, becomes minus 360. And then this plus 90, if it comes to this side, becomes minus 90. So simplifying further now, I have minus 4x minus 2x will give me minus 6x. And that will be equal to 360 minus 360 is 0. Then 0 minus 90 will give me minus 90. So to get the value of x, I can now divide both sides by minus 6. So divide by minus 6. and they also divide this by -6. So this -6 we cancel -6, and I'm left with x on this side, and that will be equal to -90 divided by -6. Don't forget, this minus will cancel minus and becomes plus. So 90 divided by 6 will give me 15. So angle X is 15 degrees as the final answer. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and join for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.